You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to transpose data frame in Python Pandas. I have already installed Pandas. Let's start coding. First of all, import Pandas library. Here PD means Pandas. Next, for creating data frame, first we will create a dictionary that store employee details. This dictionary has 3 fields and 5 records, where first field is serial number, second one is name, and third one is city. Next, print this dictionary and run the program. In output window, it is showing a dictionary that has 3 keys and 5 values. Next, by using DataFrame function, we convert this dictionary into a data frame. The name of data frame is df. Next, print this data frame and again run the program. In output window, it is showing a data frame. We will transpose data from rows to column and columns to rows. Next, we will transpose this data frame and a new data frame will be created. Printing \n means inserting an empty line. First method is DataFrame dot capital T that will transpose the data frame into a new data frame named df1. We will print the new data frame and run the program. In output window, it is showing a new transposed data frame where rows are transposed to columns and columns are transposed to rows. But here it is showing index value of each column. Next, we will learn how to hide these index values. For hiding index value, we will set our first column, that is serial number, as an index. We are using setIndex method for selecting new index of our data frame. After setIndex method, we will write dot capital T that will transpose df into df2. Next, print df2 and again run the program. Now in output window, you can see a new transposed data frame without any index value. Next, we will apply second method for converting a data frame into a transposed data frame. In place of capital T, we can directly write transpose method. This method will also transpose our data frame. Again run the program and in output window, it is showing transpose data frame. In previous 2 methods, when we transpose the data frame, a new data frame is created. Next, we will learn how to transpose the original data frame itself. For this, we will add a new parameter in setIndex method, that is in place equal to true. Now we will apply transpose method on data frame df and this will change the data frame itself. Next, print the data frame and run the program. In place equal to true means data frame itself. In output window, it is showing transpose data frame, that is the original data frame itself. Now ending this tutorial.